Show me. It's not it. Hold still. Hold still. Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let it go back to its mommy.
Show me.
I showed you. So today's one of my favorite days. That I love. What, baby? You let it go? So sweet. So sweet of you to let it go. Today's one of my favorite days. What? It's camouflaging? Like a chameleon?
Look at, see, look at, it's camouflaging.
Oh, it's camouflage. Okay. Recording?
Yes.
And here is their original nest. They're probably hiding in it. Don't you run from me, babies. Don't you run from Auntie Blair. She loves you. No, you will not touch a wild bird. See the 3 babies?
Yeah.
There's just a litter of 3. I think they're called something else.
What are they?
This one looks like a little, we cannot tell, but pointed at me.
Okay, I'm putting it at you.
Okay, point it down here. We're going to catch the bird. Oh, honey. Come here. Let me touch you. Did you hurt yourself? Oh, don't fly away. Come here. Oh, I can't fly. Did it fall out of its nest? Come here, honey. Oh, you don't touch it with your bare hands. Use the recorder to record it. It's okay, honey. Oh, it's okay. So tired. So tired. He needs a nap. So tired, big man. Sleep well. I'll wake you up in 30. Because we're taking a driving lesson. Oh! This is weird. There's already somebody in my seat. Ah! Ah! There's 2 of them! Woo! Okay, ready? It's a party out here. A new vine? Okay, show me.